I'm attorney Jason Smith. Caseload Control is a web application that you can access from anywhere in the world to keep you in control of your caseload. I was inspired to develop Caseload Control after I moved from my home state, where I had built over the course of a decade a large and thriving law practice, to a new state in which I was met with the challenge of establishing a new practice while maintaining the old. Years later, while having dinner with a friend and colleague, this attorney said to me, "Jason, how do you do it?" In talking with him, I discovered that I had developed a system that allowed me to maintain control of a caseload that was often double and even triple that of my colleagues. After explaining to him the multiple systems that I had used, he inspired me to consolidate those systems into one simple, easy-to-use web application for solo and small firms across America. And so was born the idea of Caseload Control. Caseload Control puts you in control of your caseload by displaying everything you need to know about your caseload in a simple, easy-to-read dashboard. You have the client contact information and the ability to add other data, such as opposing counsel, court, and even description of the case, easily summarized in one screen. Your data is organized in a way that makes sense to cut time spent on data entry most effectively and increase revenue because it is easy and simple to keep you in control of your caseload. Invoicing and payments are as easy as the click of the mouse. Time entries are 3 simple clicks. Client notes or tasks are displayed with one click on the icon. The exciting function to this web application is that each time you talk with a client, you can see a current real-time display of the client's balance with your firm, including uninvoiced time that is in your pipeline. You can't afford not to use a law practice management application. Most state bars recommend it strongly, and many professional liability insurers require it. Not to mention that you will recapture thousands of dollars in lost billable time by having a system that bills for you and that reminds you to bill for completed tasks. So I'm going to do something for you that other law office management applications can't do. I'm going to take you for a test drive of our application in a matter of minutes, because that's all it'll take to show you how to run and use this system. In a few short minutes, I'm going to show you how to operate the application, how to capture thousands of dollars in lost billables, and how to keep up with the calendar events and deadlines that you have in your practice, and how to put you back in control of your caseload.